There's no flow in regular radio no more. Just the same old bass, just the same old boom. They spin the same tired-ass tunes with little depth except the occasional classic from the old school. The rotation is whack and lacks rhythm, where song selection gives the blues. There's no lyrical lullabies anymore, just mango melodia that breaks all the rules. But I know a better way to radio ride. Flip your script to a more better side, 'cause they can't hide. They can debate, you can hate, even underestimate my skills if you will, but I create melodical musicscapes that won't let your body stay still. I put you in the mood to groove, have your body twitching when you're not trying to move. I'm a retro party starter, more like a Mo Better music martyr, and I die before I try to move the crowd without soul. That's like serving drinks from the sink without having a punch bowl. It's uncouth, and I'm the truth, so I play the tunes to make you lose control. And just when you think the jam is through, I spin another hit to prove I'm not yet done with you. This Motor City Sis can grant your musical wish, take you from just kicking it to a tender kiss, and I'd be remiss if I didn't warn you. I can close your eyes and make your nature rise while my passionate playlist adorns you, and you'll wear what I play well, only disturb the groove long enough to go tell how I had you caught up in a balladier's bliss, give you more bounce to the ounce, 'cause I'm convinced I can do this. So if you decide not to ride, you'd be insane, madder than a mother if you missed this Radio Soul Train, where we prescribe good vibes and great times, Saturdays 11 a.m. Back on the B-side. You want to hear the show? Join the jam on 7 Mile Radio.